Blessings to you and welcome to Rita Be Creative. In today's video, we will share how to upgrade flat dining chairs and add a larger foam cushion for the seating. This is a project that was completed for one of our subscribers. So let's get started. Screws were placed in a Ziploc bag and will be reused to install the new upholstered seats. This project consists of 6 dining chairs, but only one will be upholstered on camera. We are using a 4-inch high-density foam. The dacron will be cut with a 4-inch allowance around the perimeter. I am now cutting a piece of dacron into a small square to give the cushion that nice crown effect, to make it plush and luxurious. Without the small addition, the top would be flat. The spray adhesive will keep the crown piece in place. Before we staple the dacron, I would like to point out the significance of the hole in the wood. The holes are necessary, especially when using vinyl or leather fabrics, because it allows the air to escape when you sit down, so that it doesn't sound like you're sitting on a whoopee cushion. There is a special tool to create the air holes, but my drill and 3/8 drill bit can get the job done. I am marking a center line to help keep the fabric straight. This is very important if you're using fabrics with a pattern. Later in this video, you will see me cut notches in the fabric that I will line up with this line. This chocolate color vinyl has a texture and looks similar to a basket weave pattern. The tiny brush strokes of metallic gold overtone doesn't seem to pick up on camera, but it beautifully complements and brings out the hints of gold in the chair frame. Due to the stiffness of the vinyl, a heating tool is recommended to help mold the vinyl as it's stapled. A handheld blow dryer on high heat works just fine. Due to the texture of this fabric, the finished look will have small pleats, giving the chair more character. A special thank you to subscriber Kim for entrusting your upholstery project with us. I trust this video has been helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you may be informed each time a new video is uploaded. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, be blessed.